I wanted to increase average order value and make more profit from every single order.
We needed to encourage purchases for extra services to push up our quarterly sales.
I was looking for a way to make my offers even more enticing and personalized.
So we've started using
Multi-fees extension.
by Magworks.
Set as many extra fees and charges for your offerings as required. Rush delivery, insurance, installation, upgrade services, or others. Display extra fee options in a way that's most convenient for your customers. Bring personalization to your offerings. For example, let shoppers create personalized wrapping by entering their own text. Optimize the rush delivery process. Make up for payment processing expenses or local recycling fees by choosing hidden to make extra fees compulsory. Use fixed price or set the amount of fee in percentage to calculate product cost from the cart subtotal. By setting advanced fee conditions, you'll bring personalization, effectively segment customers, and diversify the pricing strategy in your Magento store. Let Multi-Fees extension by Magworks bring your business extra profit.